Hello and welcome. Welcome to 2021. Just taking a breath to kind of settle into the 2021 energy. This video I'm taking is on January 12th, and it is for the week of January 11th. And today is our new moon beginnings. But what feels like it's kind of wanting to be part of the world is this idea of, I'll use the words immense change. And that change, it always comes from within us. And this week with the new moon and kind of the entrance into this year, this change has to come from within us. And so I actually had done a video yesterday because it was too windy here to come outside with the horses. And so if you're interested, I will put the link below so that you can watch that one as well. But what this week itself feels like is this idea of transforming our inner world. And I know I speak a lot about that. In fact, I'm pretty sure that's everything that I speak about revolves around that. But really, that's what the horses have helped me to understand and recognize the pieces that they bring to my own journey with this. And how they show up and what they evoke within us, whether that's through our emotions of anger or jealousy or resentment, or as well on the other side, satisfaction and joy and fulfillment, because those are all signposts of something that we're needing to acknowledge and recognize within ourselves, because those are the signposts of our soul. And so this week, and also getting the word abrupt, it's like there's an abrupt transition that's coming to help us really see deeply inside of ourselves. And actually it's up to us to recognize the level of responsibility and involvement we want to be part of from a soul level. So again, if you resonate with that and you would like a little bit more as kind of a background to that, the link to the video that I did yesterday will be linked to this video just below in the description, and you're welcome to watch it. And I invite you to watch it too. It's kind of sharing of my own journey to discover these pieces of what I'm here to speak about in my journey into this through my relationship with my horses. And I love that they've all just lined themselves up, starting with Magic, which was my personal word for 2021. Stormy, who is about allowing. Mahina, and her dam Mahari. Mahina is of the moon, so the emotions, and Mahari is to dance with the ecstaticness of life. Then Bo, who is the Promethean, the courageous, boldly innovative, original energy. Sadie, his dam, who is to return to our essence. Somewhere in there is Raven, who is to conceive, so conceive of the idea, conceive of the spark within us, conceive of the spirit. Fancy is to inquire within our heart when we are at a crossroads. And Falcon, who is to corroborate. So corroborating is finding a feedback system that is strengthening what we know to be true. So, and Magic has really stepped forward to just share the finality of this video and this week. And all of these pieces of the puzzle are ours when we journey into ourselves with this new moon, with this new year, and allow ourselves to see what is really ours and what is no longer ours, and how to let go of it. And I want to do a video on how to let go of it, because this idea of back to grazing or just let it go, as a human, that's just spiritual bypassing if we don't actually journey through the process of what it takes to complete the cycle in order to let it go. So stay tuned for that, and a whole lot more that the horses have been sharing with me through this journey all along. But it's through my own experience of being able to journey into it and then integrate it and gain the wisdom from it to become the universal teaching to share. Takes time and vulnerability and a lot of trial and error, but I'm committed to that for myself, and I'm committed to that, to sharing what I've learned with you guys so that you maybe are able to apply it to your life and enable your own sense of who you are from a soul level, to navigate your world in a way that feels really deeply aligned with your path and your truth. So much love for myself and all of these horses here, and looking forward to sharing more. Take care.